The Softwave TRT Ortho Gold device offers a revolutionary, non-invasive solution for those suffering from knee pain, providing rapid relief and restoring function without the need for surgery or other invasive procedures. Utilizing advanced shockwave technology, this device targets the root cause of knee discomfort, promoting natural healing processes within the body. By enhancing blood flow and stimulating the regeneration of damaged tissues, the Softwave TRT Ortho Gold not only alleviates pain quickly, but also aids in restoring joint function, making daily activities more manageable and less painful. This cutting-edge treatment is ideal for individuals seeking an effective alternative to traditional interventions, potentially prolonging or even eliminating the need for surgical options. With its ability to offer fast pain relief and functional improvement, the Softwave TRT Ortho Gold device is changing the game for knee pain management, providing a pathway to a more active and comfortable life. Call our office today and schedule your Softwave mapping session. Many of our patients see immediate results. You could be next.